Hey guys, Jamie Buchanan here from Visual Perfection. Just wanted to show you this Jeep that the client has called and said, hey, I went mudding this weekend. I wanted to see if my old Jeep that I'd put my new toy parts on would actually make it in the mud hole and make it out. So as you can see, he was trying to dodge the mud, but he didn't do too good a job of it, right? He has mud just caked on this thing everywhere. So to start, we're gonna open up the engine compartment. We're gonna use a heavy duty degreaser and we're gonna spray down the engine compartment. We're gonna go ahead and spray the tires real good and the undercarriage of this thing so it can be breaking down and dissolving the dirt. Once we get the motor cleaned and dressed, then we're gonna actually do us a pre-rinse real good to take off whatever it has broken down. Then we're gonna go right into a high pH cleaner that's gonna get all the mud and the dirt off of this thing. He has had so much fun in this thing, but look, the more we rinsed, the dirtier it got until we got it clean. Listen, this thing was amazingly dirty, but it was so much fun to clean because it was so satisfying. Whenever we got everything taken off, we got it washed free and clear from the paint, and we made sure that there was no staining effect on that top of the Jeep. Hope you enjoyed the video today. Look, we would like for you to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Look, there's plenty more from where that came from, so be sure to stay tuned for the next one.